Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually remove the background of an image and replace with new background. So we have a simple example right here. Let me show you. So there is an original image right here. You will see a person is there with the background. Now I will be removing this background and replacing it with a new background, which is this one, which is actually a desert JPG. So now we run this Python script, and as soon as a Python script runs, you will see a new image will be created, and with that new background will be added to that image. So you will see custom background applied and saved as output.png. So this image file is created, and as you can see, the previous background has been removed and it has been added, a new background has been added. So I will show you how to do this for completely free inside Python. So we will be using quite a number of packages which will be completely free. So first of all, let me show you the packages. So the first package is remove background. So this will actually remove the background, the original background from the image. So this is actually the free open source package. So first of all, you need to install this. The second package we need to install is OpenCV Python, which is also a very popular package related to image. So also we need to install this as well. And I think we also need to install pillow package, which is again a image processing package. The command is simple. You need to install this as well. And lastly, we also need to install NumPy, which is a array computing package. So need to install these four packages and then we can start building this. So let me just delete this image and start. Just create app.py file, and I have given the script in the description of this video. So first of all, we will require all these packages. From remove background, we need to import the remove method, which will remove the background of the image. And then from this pillow package, we need to import the image constructor. And then from this numpy package, we need to import SNP and then the OpenCV package. So we imported all the four packages. After that, we just need to specify the input image path. So our input image is located in the same directory. So we simply provide this, and then we provide the background image path. So what will be the background image? So we just need to provide this as well. And then we provide the output image path. So this will also be created in the same directory. Now what we need to do, we need to convert this foreground into, we will use the numpy package and use the array method, and here we specify the removed uh, yeah. So first of all, we need to remove the background of the image. For removing the background, we create this new variable remove bg image, and we simply call this function that we imported from this package remove. So this will simply remove the background of the image, original background. So here we just need to provide the input image path. So this will remove the background, and then we need to simply get the foreground. From this, we simply call np array on this remove background image. After that, we get the dimensions of the foreground, such as the height and the width. So we simply say foreground dot shape, and here we specifically get this. After this, we need to load and resize the background. For doing this, we just need to say background, and OpenCV will be loading this image by image read package, and here we specify the background image path, and we will simply check here that if background is none, then we will simply raise background image not found. But if the background is available, then we just need to convert this into RGB color, so like this. After that, we just need to apply or resize it, so we call the resize method of OpenCV, and we place this background with the original image width and the height. So after this, we just need to add the alpha channel to background if missing. So if background shape 2 is equal to 3, then we just need to add this background np dstack. So this will be quite little bit complicated. You just need to copy paste all this code that I'm writing. So this is simply placing that new background to the original image. After that, we just need to composite or replace the transparent areas with the background. So for this, we just say foreground. So this is again composing the original background with the new background. And then after that, we just need to save this result. For saving the image, we simply say image from array combined and save at that location, and then see simply print your output image has been created. So that's all the script here. If you don't understand fully the script, you just need to see the result here, and then the script is available in the description of the video, so don't need to worry about it. So if I execute this now, so we just need to I forgot to place the colon here, so again, so you will see it is saying that some problem occurred. Let me see at line number 262, at line number, I think it is creating problem at that location is if background. Yeah, I think here, so let me replace it. Sorry, this is raise exception, not value error, so that was a problem. So if you just execute the script here, the overall script is given in the description, guys. I think there is some kind of typo mistake which happened. Let me paste the original script and execute this. You will now see the original background has been applied. This is original image. This is the new image created. And you can take this example with any background. So let's suppose I applied this with this. So you can see that. So you can take any background and apply this with your image with this script. And I think the result is quite tremendous. For this, you can see we haven't used any API. These are all 4 free modules: remove background, pillow, numpy, and OpenCV. So with this script, you can create web applications as well, taking the input image and a background, and you can replace your image with a new background with this script. So the script is given in the description, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.